everyone, it's Juliet from Last Weekends. We're here at the stand at Jofli Bear and just going to do an update from our review last year. Now, they've done a lot of new outfits, so here's a few of them. The first one is a little pair of pyjamas with his little slippers for when he goes to bed. The next one is a little onesie. His little outfit for going out in the daytime. And his little racing outfit. Now you're coming to the NEC this week, bring the children along, and they are in Hall 2. So they're on the back wall, so come and see them, you can't miss the stand. It's really bright and it's really cheerful. The lovely people, so come and have a chat. Thank you, bye now.
Whoa, winning!
What would you like? Do you want the flask or the cards?
Do you want the flask, love?
The flask.
Yeah, he wants the flask.
Okay. What's your first?
That's wonderful, thank you. Yeah,
Well, hey, we've won something.
there we go, one summer.
Hi everyone, it's Phil from Last Weekends Caravans. We're at the show. It's a brilliant day, it's been very busy, and I'm chatting to Jake from Stewart Longton Caravans.
Hey everybody.
It's took me ages to get this guy on camera, absolutely ages. Now you're going to have to bear with him because he is camera shy, but we're sat in the Super 8 and I'm just going to ask him a couple of questions in relation to the Super 8. So tell me, Jake, is this exactly the same construction as the ordinary Sprites?
Yeah, it's built using the exact same smart construction method, so it's the timberless build with a marine grade ply in the floor using GRP external and internal panels, so it's a lot more robust, a lot more substantial, so it's harder to damage, and it's a lot easier to repair should you actually manage to damage it.
Brilliant. I mean, we're sat inside the French bed or side bed version, is that correct?
That's correct, yes.
Yeah, and I believe the other one, correct me if I'm wrong, is the one with the bunk beds in.
Yeah, it's a 6-berth fixed bunk bed, end washroom, end bunks, but the dinette and the front seats are pretty much the same.
Right. I mean, you know that we've bought the side bed version, the transverse island bed.
4SB.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, are they going to do the 8 foot in that? Or have they not said?
They're keeping the cards very close to the chest.
Right.
So, I mean, they wouldn't even tell us about this until they did the first Facebook post about 2 weeks ago. That was the first all the dealers were hearing of it.
Right, so it was top secret
So,
then.
very, very, very secretive, yeah.
Right, lovely. Well, Jake, thank you very much for braving the video camera.
My pleasure.
We finished today for this section. We've got a little bit of a Q&A later on. So join us then. And thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Oh. I'm tired. And I know Juliet is, but I've started, I've started with a cold, so it's man flu, I'm afraid, I think, for me. So we just thought we'd share this little last bit with you before we end the video. But basically we chose 4 caravans, excuse me, that were lightweight and could be towed by the average family car.
And we went from vans that would cover from young families to older teenagers, so they could have 1 or 2 children. So we covered a broad range of families for them.
Yep. We're quite impressed. I mean, we chose the average family car as well. We chose we based it on the Mondeo, the Nissan Qashqai, the Golf, the Focus, and the Vauxhall Insignia. We covered the weights of all them, and they were all 2 litre TDIs, and they covered it no problems. And that's new oiled. They're still the top 5 cars, so it was worth it doing that.
Yeah,
to be honest, I enjoyed it. Now, my highlight was filming Protect Cover's new towing jacket. What a brilliant piece of kit that is. Well impressed. I'd like to thank David and his team for allowing us to film. I appreciate that.
And Millie was a good sport.
Yeah,
And
Millie
she
was a
there
good
at
sport.
first.
Yeah, Millie was the lady that was demonstrating. Really good sport. So we'd just like to say thank you. Big thumbs up to you at Protec. And great stuff, great product. Keep it coming.
Yeah. And my favourite was catching up with the people at Jofli Bear. Really like the product. Bought
Yeah.
Alfie, well not Alfie himself, but a new outfit for his Jofli Bear, which was in a soldier one. So he'll really like that because it might be Alfie proof.
Yeah, it might be Alfie proof. I hope it's Alfie proof.
Yeah.
So anyway, really, that was the show for us. We enjoyed it. We're absolutely tired now. And we're going to go and find the Beecham's powders, I think, because my nose is streaming.
And one last thing though, we managed to get hold of Jake and actually to speak
Oh,
to
yeah.
him from Stewart Longton's
We finally got Jake on camera from Stewart Longton's, which was great.
in the Super 8.
In the Super 8. We didn't film the Super 8, we just had a chat with him because we were there for personal reasons, talking about our van. But I managed to capture him on film, so it was sneaky, it was great. Anyway, thank you, Jake, good sport, and thank you everybody for watching. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. We really would like you to consider subscribing if you haven't already. It does help support the channel and gives us a bit of a lift. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Bye now.
Bye bye.